In this software, we can automate our entire business. Really, you do not have a business if you do not have a list.
We're gonna take on the world.
So if you guys know anything about what Jamar and I do, we have some educational products, but then we also have our software. And this software is called Endeavor. In this software, we can automate our entire business. When I mean automate, I mean have like something called a funnel, which is kind of similar to a website, but it kind of brings people through the buying process. And then there's also email automation. Really, you do not have a business if you do not have a list. And what I mean by that is an email list. Because at any moment, especially on TikTok, they can just ban you. There's bots that say, hey, I don't like this comment. If you do it again, we're taking your account away. So really the only asset that you have as a business owner is not any platforms. It's really just your email list. And so you need some way to capture emails of your audience and nurture them. So what I was looking through our funnels. We have a bunch of built-in funnels. This is our software here. Anyone interested in this, you're welcome to ask us about it. It's called Endeavor. We give a 14-day free trial, and it's $97 a month after that. But basically, it does all the automations of your business, so that way, it actually is a real business, not just a social media website. So when I talk about funnel, it's kind of like a website, and this one is a yoga funnel. But I wanted to show you just how simple it would be to convert this to a restaurant one. So instead of just a link to her email, she could have a link to this, which could be like her with some food here in Utah, and say download the top 10 restaurants in Utah. And then you would just change this heading to something like that. Make sure that you don't pass by Utah without checking these top restaurants out. And then maybe some testimonials from some of the people that went to the restaurants. And then when they click on download this free thing, it's going to pop up and say instantly download the top 10 restaurants in Utah. And they have to give you their email in exchange for that. And then when they opt in, it will say, thank you so much. Your top 10 restaurants are on the way. In the meantime, I'm Brecken, and this is what I do. And I look forward to having a relationship over email. And the reason that we do this is many different reasons, actually. If you do not have an email list, you cannot promote different products and services that these people actually want. Like, obviously, if anyone who opts into Brecken's list here is going to be interested in food. So not only can she once a week send some of her favorite new restaurants that she found, but she can also send them affiliate links, like some of her favorite cooking utensils from Amazon. I was thinking one affiliate program that she should sign up for, like once they opt in to this page and say, hey, I want my top 10 restaurants in Utah, and it says, thanks, check your email because you just got it. And while you're waiting, make sure to check out HelloFresh. I see that all the time, where if you like really healthy food to your door, make sure to get it at a discount right here. And if that's something that you believe in and that you think your audience might like, then obviously you should offer that to them. And it's providing them value, and then you can earn an income from simply saying, hey, try this out. And so that was the third way to monetize. So the first one is brands, especially with her. Like, I don't always talk about this first for different businesses, but with her specific area, then I would. And then her affiliate links, away this is a lead magnet. Through email marketing, can do a weekly newsletter about all the different, hey, did you check out my latest TikTok? Hey, I really like this healthy food program. Hey, go check this out. So hopefully this gives you guys a little bit of insight. When I'm talking about email marketing, so when they opt into this funnel, and again, there's funnels for all different niches. That was just one yoga niche. There's yoga, coaching, consulting. If I go back to funnels, and these are just lead magnets. So there's dental, chiropractic, agencies, spa, attorney, construction, solar, gym, real estate. There's a restaurant one, but this is like an actual real restaurant one. So there's all different kinds of funnels for different niches. And so that's why this system and this ecosystem works for any kind of business. You just really have to kind of plan it out.
Drop it.
Report to the dance floor. The bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club, and it's going airborne.